Easy now. She's done. Show us the way.
I thought I was a goner, but it didn't bite me and instead it begged me.
She's done. Show us the way.
It led me to the cliff because it guided me to see a baby fall off the cliff. I quickly put on the gear and I held my breath and jumped down.
Play. Anchor's good. Not blocked. Here we go.
It was so good, as if it knew I'd come to save it.
Let's get you warm. Stay close.
Its dad was up top to me and
It's all right. You're safe now. Thank you, too. Go on. Find your way home.
they said goodbye to me and